Text: Cities of the UK. Пересказ. The text describes the four largest cities in the UK, such as London, Birmingham, Glasgow and Edinburgh. London it is home for the headquarters of all governing departments, parliaments, the major legal institutions, and the monarch. It is the country's business and banking center and the center of its transport network. It contains headquarters of the national television networks and of all the national newspapers. Birmingham, the country's major engineering center. It is surrounded by a useful raw material. In the north, deposits of coal and iron ore. In the west, cotton product. To the east of woolen product. In the south of the center of production of steel product. Glasgow has a strong artistic heritage. At the turn of the last century, the work of Glasgow, who put the city and the performed and of English decide on and architecture. Edinburgh is the city of science and is associated with science, law and administration.